Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to solve reverse string. So the problem states that we need to write a function that reverses a string. We are given an array of characters. We must modify the input array in place. That means we don't need to return anything. We just have to modify our input. For example, we are going to use two pointers approach for solving this problem. We are going to initialize our low pointer at the starting of our index and the high pointer at the end of our index. So without any further delay, let's jump to the code. Low is equal to 0, which is our starting index, and high pointer at the end of our array. Length of s. So we are going to traverse our whole array until low becomes less than or equal to our high pointer. Now we are going to swap the values. For example, we are going to swap the h with the o and the o with the h until we reach to the midpoint. So s of low is equal to s of high, and s of high is equal to s of low. Now we are going to increment the low pointer and decrement the high pointer. So let's run the code. Okay, let's submit the code. So the time complexity for this approach will be O of n times. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.